Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today we are comparing two fantastic countertop ice makers, the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker and the Cylon Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise quick and convenient ice production, but they come with their own unique features and specifications. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker is the more affordable option at $99, while the Cylon Ice Maker is priced at $109. This difference may be a deciding factor for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In terms of power consumption, the Free Village model operates at 120 watts, while the Cylon model uses 160 watts. This means that if energy efficiency is a priority for you, the Free Village may be the better choice, as it consumes less power while still delivering excellent ice production. One important aspect to consider is how quickly the ice melts. Users have reported that the Cylon's ice tends to melt faster compared to the Free Village model. If you plan to use the ice for parties or gatherings, the Free Village may provide a more durable option for keeping your drinks cold longer. In conclusion, both the Free Village and Cylon ice makers offer great features for quick and convenient ice production. Your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize affordability and lower power consumption, the Free Village is a solid choice. However, if you prefer a larger water tank and faster ice production, the Cylon may be worth the extra cost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.